Algebra Adventures, Unraveling Function Notation and Operations. Hello language learners and future mathematicians. Today, we'll delve deep into the world of algebra, particularly function notation and operations. No worries if it sounds intimidating. We'll break it down step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro. In mathematics, a function is like a machine that takes in a number and gives out another number. But instead of calling it a machine, we call it a function. Functions have a special way of being written. f x, f x, f x. Here, f represents the function, and x is the input number. The result, or the number that comes out, is called f x, or the value of the function at x. For example, if f(x) equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2, and you put 3 into the function, the output would be 5. Function notation is just a way to represent functions. Instead of saying y equals, as in y equals x plus 2y equals x plus 2y equals x plus 2, we use function notation. f(x) equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2. Remember, f(x) is read as f of x. It helps us easily see what the input, x, and the rule of the function is. This notation is very common in higher mathematics. Like numbers, functions can also be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided. Let's explore how. 1. Adding functions. If you have f(x) equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2f, x equals x plus 2, and x equals x minus 3 grams, x equals by 3 grams, x equals x minus 3, the sum is f(x) plus x equals x plus 2 plus x minus 3 equals 2x minus 1 f(x) plus x equals x plus 2 plus x3 equals 2x1 f(x) plus x equals x plus 2 plus x minus 3 equals 2x minus 1. 2. Subtracting functions. Using the same functions, the difference is f(x) minus x equals x plus 2 minus x minus 3 equals 5f(x) x equals x plus 2, x3 equals 5f(x) minus x equals x plus 2 minus x minus 3 equals 5. 3. Multiplying functions. The product is f(x) times x equals x plus 2 times x minus 3, f(x) times x equals x plus 2 times x3, f(x) times x equals x plus 2 times x minus 3. Multiply it out like a normal algebraic expression. 4. Dividing functions. The quotient is f x g x equals x plus 2x minus 3. Frac f x g x equals frac x plus 2 x3 g x f x equals x minus 3x plus 2. Keep in mind that the denominator, the bottom of the fraction, should not equal 0. And that wraps up our exploration of function notation and operations. Now, whenever you come across these in algebra, you'll know exactly how to handle them. Keep practicing and soon it'll become second nature. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.